How to add friends on the Line app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add friends on your Line app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads as well. Now let's begin. First thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your Line app, or if you don't have the application, you can download it from Google Play Store or App Store. Now you'll just have to open up your app, and from here make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll land on your home page where you have all of your details, and if you want to head over to the chat section, you'll find all of your chats right here. Then if you want to see your call history, you can find it on the right side of your navigation bar. Now once you go to your home page, to add new friends, you'll see this plus icon right beside your gear icon. Just tap on this one, and if you want, you can auto add friends. It will auto add contacts as friends once you allow your contacts, or if you want to create a group, you can do that as well, and you can share your QR code as well. So if you tap on QR, tap on allow camera access, you will have an option to scan a QR code. You can just scan your QR code and then add them as a friend. Or if you want your QR code, you can just tap on your QR and then it will show you your QR. You can share this and other people will be able to add you as a friend. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next one.